Hello everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating exquisite outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever felt like your backyard was missing that special something to tie it all together, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most timeless and functional elements of landscape architecture, the stone garden pathway. Whether you have a sprawling estate or a cozy urban plot, a well-placed stone path can completely redefine your outdoor experience. At its core, a stone garden pathway is a designated walking route constructed from natural or man-made stone materials. It serves as a structural spine for your landscape, connecting different zones of the garden, like the patio to the shed, or the back door to a hidden bench. Unlike a simple dirt track or a manicured lawn, a stone pathway is an intentional design choice that adds texture, color, and a sense of permanent elegance to your environment. It is the bridge between human architecture and the wild beauty of nature. Integrating a stone pathway into your garden offers a wealth of practical and aesthetic advantages that go far beyond simple curb appeal. Primarily, these paths provide a clean, mud-free surface for walking, ensuring that your home stays cleaner during rainy seasons and your lawn remains protected from heavy foot traffic. Environmentally, natural stone paths are incredibly durable and weather-resistant, often lasting for decades with minimal maintenance compared to wood or mulch. Furthermore, a stone walkway acts as a visual guide, leading the eye through your garden and creating a sense of organization and flow. From a financial perspective, high-quality stonework is a sought-after feature that significantly boosts your property's resale value by showcasing a professional, finished landscape. To make your stone pathway truly stand out, you need to think about the softscaping that surrounds it. One of the most effective ways to beautify a path is by planting creepers, or ground covers like Irish moss, creeping thyme, or sedum in the gaps between the stones. This creates a lush, aged look that feels like it belongs in a fairy tale. For a more modern vibe, you can border your stones with crisp metal edging and fill the surrounding space with contrasting dark river pebbles or white marble chips. Don't forget the power of lighting. Installing low-voltage LED path lights or solar lanterns along the edges not only ensures safety at night, but also casts enchanting shadows that highlight the natural texture of the stone. Adding tall perennials or ornamental grasses along the sides can also create a sense of mystery, making the path feel like a journey through a private oasis. Choosing the right material is crucial for both the longevity and the style of your walkway. Flagstone is a perennial favorite for its large, flat, and irregular shapes that provide a rustic, organic feel perfect for traditional gardens. If you prefer a more structured or formal look, slate or bluestone pavers offer clean lines and elegant cool tones like deep blue and charcoal. For those on a budget or looking for a DIY-friendly option, pea gravel or crushed stone is excellent because it provides great drainage and a satisfying crunch underfoot. If you want something incredibly durable and timeless, cobblestones or granite sets offer a classic European aesthetic that can withstand heavy use. Each material brings its own unique personality, so consider the color palette of your home's exterior before making your final selection. A stone garden pathway is more than just a place to walk. It is a permanent investment in the beauty and functionality of your home. By choosing the right materials and adding your personal decorative touch, you can create a feature that brings joy every time you step outside. We hope this guide has inspired you to start your own stone project and transform your garden into the sanctuary you've always dreamed of. If you enjoyed these stone pathway ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more landscaping inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which material is your favorite? Rustic flagstone or modern slate? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.